For the
Princess Ashley, you're so sexy. One day I'm gonna boreless you for nothing. Nah, I'm just joking. Kaya mo yan!
Give me 20 seconds on the clock.
Let's go!
On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest, gaano kasarap ang ulam mo kaninang umaga? Go!
10!
Sino ang nakakaalam ng sikreto mo?
Pants!
Kaibigan.
Bukod sa braso, salitang nagtatapos sa aso.
Laso.
Lampaso?
Kulay ng toothpaste na ayaw mong gamitin.
Violet. What?
Name something na tinatakasan o tinatakbuhan ng tao.
The dogs.
Let's go!
Yay! Let's see, we got it!
On a scale of 1 to 10, gaano kasarap ang ulam mo kanina umaga? Sabi mo 10. Ano ba yung...
That's what I said. Yaha!
Corned beef and chicken sausage po.
Wow.
Grabe naman, prinsesa!
Meg po, Meg.
Alright. Ang sabi ng survey sa 10 ay... Sino ang nakakaalam ng sikreto mo? Sabi mo, kaibigan, friends. Survey says...
Nice!
Bukod sa braso, salitang nagtatapos sa aso, sabi mo ay... Lampaso.
I don't even know what that is.
Kulay ng toothpaste na ayaw mong gamitin, sabi mo ay green.
Ay, baso pala.
Uy, masarap yung green.
Okay lang po yung green.
Andyan ba ang green? Yeah, meron yun.
Okay, getting there.
Something na tinatakasan o tinatakbuhan ng tao, sabi mo ay utang. Yan. Ang sabi ng survey ay... Yes. Got better roll, Ashley.
That's great, Princess Ash.
Let's welcome back Marco.
Now time for the second brother.
Before we start...
Yay! Bowser Jr. here. We're gonna try.
Sige. Yung family ko na lang, hello po sa inyo. Mahal na mahal ko kayo.
There you go.
Yay! Let's see if we can win the 200K. I'm Bowser Jr. I'm the son of Bobo Marcos Jr. III. And if I win the 200K, I will donate money to him to help him with the nation. Yeah!
25 seconds on the clock, please.
Go on, best friend!
On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, gaano kasarap ang ulam mo kaninang umaga? Go.
8.
Yes!
Sino ang nakakaalam ng sikreto mo?
Parents.
Yeah!
Sa braso, salitang nagtatapos sa aso.
Kaso,
Kulay ng
Okay.
toothpaste na ayaw mong gamitin.
itim.
Name something na tinatakasan o tinatakbuhan ng tao.
Hayop.
That's what I said! Dogs! Dogs! Or hayop, they're the same. Either way.
Something na tinatakasan o tinatakbuhan ng tao, sabi mo ay...
Ew, good luck!
Nandiyan ba yan? Sabi ng survey.
Boring.
Ang top answer ay utang. Nakuha mo.
Utang.
Kulay ng toothpaste
I thought it's
na ayaw
run
mong
after
gamitin,
them.
Sabi mo ay black. Ang sabi ng survey ay...
Top answer.
Wow! Yay! Top answer! You're right! You got it!
Bukod sa braso, salitang nagtatapos sa aso, sabi mo ay kaso. Survey says...
Nice! Kaso lang. Yay!
Ang top answer ay baso. Baso. Sino
Interesting.
na-
That's what I said too.
Sabi mo ay parents. Sabi ng survey.
My parents, they should know my secret. Yay! We're getting there. Ew! Ang sarap yung ulam ko. 8! Yeah! I think 8 is also the top answer. If I said 10, yay! I said 8. So I know that's a really top answer. And therefore, I'm gonna win. Yay!
Give me 6 points. Survey says...
8 for the win! Yay! Yay! Hey! We won! Alright! I'm the winner! Yay-ha! Ew! Hanep! Hanep, 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 hanep. Hanep! Hanep! Pogi mo, Kuya Dog!
What a win. Solid, solid. Wow. Margo, anong masasabi niyo sa inyong pagkapanalo?